kahapon, dumating si David Archuleta sa Pilipinas, di ba? Tapos kagabi, meron siyang show sa SM Skydome. Yung mga fans talaga niya nagkagulo para panoorin si David Archuleta. Pero tayo, sa umaga, meron tayong one-on-one interview with David Archuleta. Ayan, pumunta tayo sa Peninsula para pumunta ako sa kwarto ni David Archuleta para magkwentuhan kasama ang Tweet Biz. Ito yun, panoorin nyo.
And a lot of people always ask. I'm sure you've been asked a lot about Charisse. You know, so did you get to see her debut in Glee?
You know, I was so excited to, you know, have someone I know on Glee, and it's like, oh, that's so cool because she's so talented, and I felt like it was a really good thing for her to just like allow her to be exposed to more people too, and I felt like it was a good way for her to be exposed to that newer audience because she has such a big voice that she can do so much with it, and that sometimes people are like, oh well, she should go here, she should go there. Glee, it's a popular show for all ages, and even, you know, especially with kids, but people, you can really just show your voice and sing, and so I felt like it was perfect for Charisse because she's young but she has a huge powerful voice, and I thought it was a great exposure for her.
How about Manny Pacquiao? You've met another Filipino, Manny Pacquiao, and how's about a duet with Manny?
Yeah, I know he sings, so it'd be kind of fun too, just because it's like, whoa, get into sing or do, you know, something. Because I'd rather sing with Manny than fight with Manny.
Exactly.
So it'd be, I mean, he had an awesome fight this week. It was really cool to watch, and it'd be a fun thing to do, I guess.
Kaya alam mo talaga, napakarami niyang fans. Alam mo sa Twitter talaga, kumbaga, he's one of the most in-demand celebrities talaga online. So,
Sa tingin mo, mas sikat pa siya ngayon kaysa kay David Cook na tinalo?
oo naman.
Actually,
Sikat
kahit
talaga
nanalo
naman.
si
Sikat
David
siya kay
Cook, mas
David Cook.
maraming hits si David
Oo,
Archuleta.
bagay, oo.